Oh, good grief. My camera accidentally overfilled my phone. And now we are on to part 2. Excuse the break there. So Just Me Valerie said, I just listened to one of your first podcasts, number 3, the third one, I think, and you mentioned the definition of ephemera, which was great to learn. You also mentioned matchboxes. Would you show us some examples of using them in a junk journal? Maybe matchbooks? Matchbooks. Thank you, as always, for sharing your vast knowledge and wise life interpretations. Oh, you're so sweet. Thank you. Okay, so the concept of the matchbook is very simple. Let me just show you with a piece of paper that I should have around here somewhere at the freaking paper outpost. You think she'd have a piece of paper? Okay, here we have something. Okay, so a matchbook is very simple to design. You just take a piece, and we will now make the matchbook. We are going to fold the little bottom up. That's going to be the bottom of our matchbook. It's going to look like a matchbook. And then you do this. You kind of tuck it in so you know where it needs to go. You don't tuck it in all the way because you're going to have to put a staple there. Okay? It doesn't have to be a staple, but staples work very nicely. It's very easy. And if you have the Tim's Tiny Attacher, weird name, Tim. That's all I'm saying. It's a little mini stapler. You can take that out. You can do 2 close ones to the bottom. There. And then obviously you can decorate this up any way you like. But then you have this little matchbook thing, which is really cute. And you can do all sorts of fun things with it. You can put fun things inside. You can even put a little notebook inside. You can put pictures. You can put a little piece of paper that has lines on it. You can just put the lines on this if it's blank. You can put a little quote or a poem or something cute like that. You can put stickers in here. Wouldn't that be fun? And then, where is it? I know it's here somewhere. Where's my, oh, it's like looking all over the place. Where's my journal? Here's the journal I'm working in. You can just tuck it into a journal. Like here, there you go. There's your matchbook in your junk journal. And just a fun little piece of ephemera, something different. Everybody remembers what matchbooks looks like. Well, at least the people back in my day. Maybe they're all lighters now. I don't know. Do they still have matchbooks? I don't know. Let's answer another question. Okay, I'm going to do these. Am I going to do these too fast? I'll do these too fast. So we have like 10 minutes left. Okay. Oh, I want to use the cheesecloth. Let's use the cheesecloth. The beloved cloth of cheese. Tea dyed. You can coffee dye this, tea dye, anything. And the nice thing about cheesecloth kind of like stuff, you can smoosh it. Yeah. Different than mooshing. This is smooshing. Okay, so you get a piece that's bigger than what you have. And you lay it down, and then you smoosh to the size of your base. Or a little over. You can always do overhang. Overhang is very desirable. I don't know, I think it's in my world. And that's kind of cool, right? And then you can take those things which you so carefully printed off, and now you don't know, you forgot you had them. I'm just going to look for a little piece of contrast, something in here. I really like this material. Can I use it again? I think that would look really pretty on there. Oh, that looks so pretty. Let's just do it. Let's just do it. You know how you fall in love with one little piece of fabric? This is that one. I don't know. It's not going to be in every fabric pack because I just didn't have enough, but it'll be in some. Yeah, so if you feel the same way about this little piece of fabric, which I love, and you can get stuff like this at Joann's or something like that. Oh, that's pretty, right? And now you could even take, I don't know why I find so much joy in making altered paper clips, but I do, so I make them. And I hope you enjoy making them too. I'm just going to ink up the edges here a little bit so it shows a little more against the, yeah, that looks good. This, what color? It's, oh good grief, it's some brown I have here. How about this one? Because all my vintage photo, Distress Oxide. I use this brown dauber for all my browns, so it's like a commingled mix of all of them. So it's a little bit of this, a little bit of that. Okay, you can glue that down. That looks so cool. I love that. I just love these little tiny things. You can make these little tiny things all day long. And you can just sit there at home and have an awesome day. The heck with the rest of the world. Turn off the news. Just have a good time with your paper. Look at, this is great. Look at, oh, that's so much fun. Look at that. That is adorable, isn't it? That's just adorable the way it is. It doesn't need any more. But if we were going to put more, what would we do? We might put something like that. That's not nice. This is a nicer one. Let's put this one down. Oops, don't stab yourself. That's not good. It's the second cup of coffee. That's what it is. Yeah, you know. You know. I feel like I'm coming out of the dark from the cold. I feel like I'm waking up again. I'm joining the living. Here I am. I'm out here with the big kids playing again in the sandbox. It feels so good. It's nice. Okay, just something simple like that. It's okay that the white border from your base shows. It's like a little frame. Look, it's like a little greeting card. It's so cute. 1,000,001 purposes. I know I made 3. I can only see 2. Where's the other one? Oh, there it is. Okay, so we'll show those. Okay, so it looks like we're actually doing something here. Okay, too far away. Okay, so okay, another question, and then we will go on to pick our winners. Okay, so thank you. Thank you. Andrea Morton asks, hello Pam, have we worked with the chipboard pulled out of the top of the Kleenex box to open it? They make good tuck spots or okay bookmarks. Does anyone have any other suggestions? Doing my best to include as much recycling in my projects as possible. Reuse, recycle, just try to help save our planet. I think that's a great idea. I'm pretty sure I have used one of those before. I haven't used one in a while, but I did buy a big box of like a case of Kleenex, so hold on to your hat. It's probably going to come soon. All right, so let us now move on to picking the winners. Give me 1 second. Hold on. Okay, I am back. I'm hoping everything is stable. I have the YouTube comment picker. We're going to now pick the winner. There are 654. I had to rerun it because I don't know, it clicked off or something. So here I am. We're going to pick the winner. Let me zoom in down here a little bit. Let's see if you see your name. This is first one is for the fabric scrappy contest. Here we go. Is it you? 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 Jean B. Flowers. Jean B. Flowers. Congratulations. All you need to do, Jean, is email me your name and mailing address and let me know you won the fabric scrappy contest for, what is today? Tomorrow's date. Let's see. It's going to be Friday, April 14th, 2022. 2023. I caught myself. And I will mail that off to you. Congratulations. Okay, next we're just going to roll right along and pick the paper scrappy contest winner. And here we go. Da 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 da. Karen Casa. Congratulations, Karen Casa. You are the winner of the paper scrappy contest. Same thing goes for you. Name and address to my email, pam@thepaperoutpost.com. Oh, this is what I wanted to show everybody. Okay, here I have my stuff. Because, okay, let me move everything. Hold on. Okay, so everybody, I get a lot of questions of this because I know everybody cannot do the drop-down list below the video because some people are on Roku TV or they can't quite figure out where to find the drop-down list is on their phone or their tablet or whatever. So these are the key things that you need to know. These are the things. So you may want to freeze it and then write it down if you can't access the clickable links down below. But if you want to sign up for, okay, if you won these contests, email me your info, name and address, at Pam, my email address, pam@thepaperoutpost.com. Let me zoom in there so you can see it. And then if you would like to be signed up for my free monthly emailed newsletter where you get a free digital image emailed to you every month, a note from a bookmaker which explains what a junk journal is and how to use it, and I like to print that out and tuck it into the beginning of my junk journal so people know what on earth they just got and how they can play with it. And also a checklist of supplies and page list of ideas of how to break the blank page. There's a freebie section on every newsletter. It's at the very bottom of the newsletter, so scroll down, scroll down, scroll down. And when you think you're at the bottom, scroll down, scroll down, scroll down. It's down there. And you can print things out right from there. And also, sometimes if you're looking for my Etsy shop, let's say you're interested in a fabric pack or a FUNDLE or a journal or something like that, the easiest place to find my actual store, only my stuff, so you don't accidentally buy other people's stuff, because Etsy works like Google. If you type in like black pants, it'll offer you black pants, and then eventually it'll start filtering or shuffling in some blue pants, some gray pants, you know what I mean? So it'll mix other sellers and things together. So if you only want to see my stuff, Etsy offered us a way to have our own standalone website, which is Etsy, meaning all the normal payment methods if you're going in and trying to buy a journal when everybody else is trying to buy a journal and click the button, the timing is the same thing. There's no difference at all. You just, it just shows you my stuff so you don't have the fear of accidentally buying somebody else's stuff by accident. But if you like other people's stuff, buy other people's stuff by all means. There's some really nice stuff out there. But yeah, so it's www.thepaperoutpost.com. Okay? And if anybody's wondering what that one is, this is a newsletter. It's, this part of it is B as in boy, IT.ly. That's an L. I should probably make an L sign. I don't think it matters if you do capital or not when you're typing it in, but it could be mistaken for an I, but it's an L. Okay, so there you go. That's all the important stuff. Here's all the pretty thing. I can't see it. Here's all the pretty things we made. And, Sunshine is back in, whoop, hang on. I got to find him. Hold on. Hello, guess who is back in the building? Yeah, look who returned from his vacances.
Hello, everybody. Sunshine and back. Yes, I took a little vacances. I was upstairs hanging out with the sister-in-law, and she's wonderful. She's a very good cuddler. This is a little uncomfortably close. Can we do something about that?
Okay, I'm rearranging. I rearranged. I know that was better.
Okay, that's better. So she's a really good cuddler, and she scratches like nobody's business. And she plays fetch with me, and we go for walks, and I would like her to live here forever. That's all I'm asking. Not much. I would even share my chicken. Not much. But she can have like a smell. Maybe a small taste. If she stays forever. We'll have to renegotiate. I'm quite a good negotiator. I can do this.
You're a good negotiator?
Yes. Yes. I mean, how do you think I get all those treats from you? It's all my negotiation skills. I give you white steel look.
What, when I say snacks?
Yeah, that's what I do.
Oh yeah, that melts my heart. It does. It just does every time.
Okay, so that's all I got today, guys. But happy crafting. Create with reckless abandon. Mom, you got other things you got to tell them. I know. They all know.
All right, I'll go through the list.
Okay, I love y'all. Bye.
Okay, thank you, son. You did great today. You were awesome. Your voice sounds much better, by the way. Okay, so I'll give you that in case you need it. You know about my free monthly email newsletter. Got that covered. You know about my Etsy shop. Just so you know, I do sell completed journals, bundles, kits, all sorts of interesting things in there. Digi-kits, which are printable downloads, computer files. My print and mail option is there if you want me to print them out for you. I do them in batches of 10. I only need the first 2 or 3 words of each name. You don't need to buy every digi-kit. Just buy the print and mail and then send me your list of 10 names and I will mail those off to you. It's printed on lightweight cardstock. Fundles, collections of old and interesting paper. If you like to play with old papers and interesting things like that, I make these collections of 100 plus pieces of interesting things. Old book pages, old ledger, checks, receipts, postcards, black and white photos, you name it, it's in there. Music sheets, dictionary pages. That wasn't a very good look-see, but free priority shipping is included with that. And this is the address that's where you just see my website. It's all Etsy, all the payment methods, everything, it's Etsy. It just has a different look on the front page. What else? I have an Amazon shop if you're looking for favorite tools and supplies that you see me use here. I try and put links to those things if I can find them. I'll put them in my Amazon shop. That does help my shop, but you do not pay more for the items for using those links. So thanks for everybody for using those links. And I also have a merchandise shop. Oh, here's my coffee. This is, like, I call it my t-shirt shop, but I do sell mugs, totes, and water bottles, as well as t-shirts, sweatshirts, and zipped hoodies with Create with Reckless Abandon, or Everything is a Craft Supply Until Proven Otherwise. Yes, it is. Even mashed potatoes. I know, I've had everybody go, but what about moth wings? What about, toad eyes? I mean, whatever. Yes, until proven otherwise. Okay. You can find me on the grand world of social media in Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, LinkedIn, Facebook. Come and join our Facebook group. We're having a lot of fun over there doing weekly and monthly challenges. We have an awesome team over there that helps keep the place safe and sound and happy and focused on the challenges as well as what you guys make from these videos. And thank you to everybody who helps out there over there. They are immeasurably amazing people for doing this. And Remember, most of all, that fun can be simple, and create with reckless abandon. And I'll talk to you next time. Bye.